And before I go, would you like a little campfire song and a story? We're born of fire from the stars, using fire in our cars, cooking food with the force. Some might say it beats riding a horse, but I disagree. We're born of fire. Okay, enough of the song. Now the story. Dano just reminded me of a Lakota story. White buffalo let the Indians, the Native American Lakota tribes people, know that fire is a magical force, and it is not just to be feared, although an all-powerful being such as that is to be respected. And fire taught them how to cook food, how to keep away the beasts, and we know we have no big teeth, we have no claws, we have no thick fur. We're pretty weak. Speaking for myself. So, that book also, I can tell you where to get that story because I too have read it. Thank you, Dano, for telling me that story and reminding me. It is James Marshall, a Lakota elder, who is telling stories of his tribe and others of Northern America. And there's a lot of morality in there, and usually the people, or in their stories, the animals, which are consumed with greed, it doesn't end up well for them. And there are those with big open hearts that give all their food to lonely, tired, weak travelers, nourish them, offer them everything, and they are rewarded by nature with the most wonderful abundance. So I love reading those stories because they still apply. In fact, they apply even more to us because we're the ones that could really use that. Appreciating nature and not trying to dominate it. So signing off for today in this amazing, magical spot, which has gifted us with an extremely gentle, mild backfire, which is making this whole area, entire area, more fire resistant in the coming years, and letting the big trees grow and get fertilized by the brush underneath.